2019 Honda CR-V EX-L all-wheel drive, 18,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Boy, 4-year-old vehicles don't come much nicer or with much lower miles than this. Black on black, all-wheel drive, 1.5 liter turbo, dual power seats, heated seats, moonroof, remote start, keyless entry, all the goodies, all the phone hookups, everything you need. 2 owners, clear Carfax, independently inspected, factory warranty that you can upgrade very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved on our website. Go to our AutoramaAuto.com, fill it out ahead of time. No obligation. Come in, you test drive it, you love it. Yeah, you take it. And you're going to be here 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day. Seriously. In and out. We're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. The big box dealers, they keep you all day to play the games, to play the tricks, to try to get every dollar they can out of you. Not us. We get right to the point. Again, black on black. It's local. Only 18,000 miles. Got the sunroof, the heated seats, the big screen. All the goods. This car came in. It really didn't need anything but a recon. That's all we did was just a quick cleanup. Good to go. She checked out 100%. Let's talk about price. You are going to find similar CR-Vs advertised cheaper. Well, you're not going to find this low mileage pretty much anywhere. But the thing is advertising a car cheap and selling it cheap is a different story. A lot of dealers, they advertise low prices, but then they have hidden fees. We have a $145 dock fee. Otherwise, a price you see is a price you pay. We do not have market fees and cleanup fees and hidden fees and garbage fees and all this other junk they try to sell you, they try to roll you into. Honestly, price you see is a price you pay. Drive it away. And guess what? We're going to make it even better. We're going to give you a free dock fee. Corey, give these folks a free dock fee. That's right. Show this to the finance guy, and this is your video coupon. He will give you a free dock fee. But you got to show him the video. So let's recap. 2019, 18,000 miles, all-wheel drive, CR-V EX-L, all-wheel drive, loaded up, 2 owners, clear Carfax, factory warranty, independently inspected, fast financing, no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.